Bullish Theta organization cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $3.48 and $6.56 by 2030. Market investigators accept Theta could reach $2.70 by 2025. Bearish Theta organization market cost expectation for 2023 is 61 cents. Theta organization presentation. Theta's local digital money is additionally called Theta. The symbolic powers the organization and boosts clients to share assets. There are two kinds of hubs on the Theta organization: customary hubs and asset-rich Watchman hubs. Normal hubs acquire awards for sharing their assets, while Watchman hubs procure significantly bigger compensations for confirming blocks and bundling video transfers. Theta organization. One of the vital highlights of the Theta network is its utilization of edge reserving. Edge reserving includes putting away frequently mentioned information nearer to the client instead of at a concentrated area. This decreases dormancy and works on streaming quality. By decentralizing substance conveyance, Theta can give a preferred streaming encounter over conventional CDNs. One more significant element of the Theta network is its capacity to deal with a lot of traffic with negligible effect on the watcher experience. This is made conceivable by Theta's P2P network organizing innovation, what eliminates web blockage by dispersing traffic among various ways at the same time. How Theta functions. The main thing to comprehend about Theta is that it's not only a video real-time stage like YouTube or Jerk. It's likewise a decentralized organization controlled by the blockchain. This implies that clients can share data transmission and processing assets on a P2P premise. All in all, Theta is intended to be a more productive and decentralized approach to real-time video. So how can it function? The key is in the utilization of edge servers. Edge servers are fundamentally PCs that are conveyed at the edge of the organization, nearer to the client. By doing this, Theta can decrease idleness and work on streaming quality, while Theta's mainnet chips away at an agreement instrument that permits clients to approve exchanges and procure rewards. The stage furnishes excellent streams with low inactivity, and clients can procure prizes for giving transfer speed assets. The group behind Theta is capable and has serious areas of strength for a record in the crypto and blockchain industry. The advantages of Theta. So what are the advantages of utilizing Theta? First of all, Theta plans to be more productive than conventional video web-based stages. By using edge servers and asset sharing, Theta can diminish both dormancy and expenses. The subsequent advantage is expanded decentralization. By permitting clients to share data transmission and figuring assets, Theta makes a more decentralized network that is less powerless against control or assault. At last, Theta likewise accompanies its local token, which can be utilized to buy labor and products on the stage or marked for remunerations. Theta value figure. The Theta organization vows to alter the manner in which we transfer video by decentralizing information conveyance and offering clients prizes for sharing their data transmission assets. The local digital currency of the organization is Theta token, which can be utilized to approve exchanges and stake in the organization. I'll see Theta's cost expectations for 2022 and then some. Theta has proactively taken extraordinary steps since its send-off. The mainnet has gone live and sent off big business conferencing with Samsung VR. These triumphs have prompted a positive cost pattern for Theta all through the vast majority of 2020 and 2021. Looking forward, there are a few impetuses that could keep on driving the cost of Theta vertical. To start with, the reception of 5G will work on streaming quality and lead to additional excellent streams being conveyed over Theta's decentralized organization. Second, as additional organizations take on big business conferencing fueled by Theta, interest for Theta will increment. At last, as the crypto market keeps on developing, financial backers will progressively see Theta as a decent long-haul venture because of its solid essentials. Theta organization is presently worth 77 cents USD. Theta has moved 0.84% as of now with an exchanging volume of $6,877,516. Theta organization is presently positioned 47 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $772,276,968 USD. Theta organization value expectation 2023. Theta organization, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Theta cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $1.16. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $1.08 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is plausible soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. Theta is supposed to have a base worth of 92 cents. Theta organization value forecast 2024. In 2024, Theta organization Theta cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Theta will before long outperform $1.93. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the Theta's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Theta will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.54 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.70. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $2.70 and Theta might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Theta is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.47 and a low of $2.32 in 2025. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2026. On the off chance that Theta Organization effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money devotees, the Theta coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Theta will be green in 2026. The Theta is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $3.48, with a base cost of $3.09 and a typical cost of $3.24. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Theta cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $4.02 by 2027, with a base cost of $3.86 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Theta has a greatest value worth of $4.25. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $4.79. In the event that Theta figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $5.02. Neglecting to accumulate the help Theta needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $4.63. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2029. While Theta is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $5.41 and a yearly cost close above $5.79 in 2029. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Theta Organization will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $6.18 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $6.56, averaging out at $6.33. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future sticker costs with accuracy, but all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating